The MBA Hospital Plus plan is a supplemental insurance policy which pays a daily benefit directly to the NALC member for each day that an insured family member is confined to a hospital. One policy can cover the NALC member, his or her spouse, and/or his or her dependent children. The plan is available to active and retired members of the NALC. The member may choose a daily benefit for confinement to a hospital of $30, $50, $75, or $100. This daily benefit amount is for the NALC member and his or her spouse. The daily benefit for a covered child will be 60% of the NALC member's daily benefit. A covered child means the insured's unmarried, legal child who is under 19 years of age and living with the insured, or between 19 and 23 years of age and a full-time student at a regular educational institution. A covered child may include an adopted child or stepchild of the insured. If a child is born to the insured while the Hospital Plus child rider is active, the child will become a covered child when that child is 15 days old. The MBA will pay the NALC member for each day a covered family member is confined to a hospital upon the recommendation of a physician. The maximum number of days the MBA will pay for any one confinement is 365 days. To file a claim for hospital confinement benefits, the NALC member must complete a hospital confinement claim form, which consists of 6 short sections. Information about the NALC member, the patient, the hospital, the physician or surgeon, the diagnosis or nature of illness or injury, and the referring physician is requested. The form must be fully completed and signed by the NALC member. In addition to the NALC member's signature, the patient must also sign the form. The properly completed claim form should be returned to the MBA office along with a statement from the hospital. Verification of confinement to a hospital may be in the form of an itemized bill on hospital's letterhead, a letter from the hospital on hospital letterhead including the admission and discharge dates along with the signature and title of the hospital representative, a UB92 hospital statement, or an NALC Health Benefit Plan Explanation of Benefits or EOB form. Premiums may be paid directly to the MBA office annually or monthly, or through the convenience of biweekly payroll deduction. The policy owner may change the frequency of premium payments by contacting the MBA office. The policy has a 31-day grace period for the payment of all premiums. This means that if a premium is not paid on the due date, the grace period begins. During this period, the policy remains in force. If the premiums were made unpaid at the end of the grace period, the policy will terminate. If the hospital confinement policy terminates for non-payment of premium, the NALC member can reinstate it by requesting a reinstatement application and paying all back due premiums. The MBA began paying dividends on the Hospital Plus plan of insurance in 2007. Such divisible surplus accrues from participating policies only and is determined by the NALC Board of Trustees. The divisible surplus is distributed in the form of cash dividends.